This looks pretty cool, right? It's just my new awesome look. Or maybe it's just some clever makeup. Crawling out of your skin yet? Or is it just me? Don't worry, it doesn't really hurt. But it really transforms my face. And as long as it took to put on, it sure is a lot of fun taking it off. Well, we're about halfway done here. Lips and eyes are coming off. Ta-da! Back to me!
Whoa! Now that's a twist!
Hello? Ahem.
Ugh, whatever. Hello? Come on in.
You do magic spells, right?
Well, what?
Can you help me?
A party? Says it's for unicorns only. I guess. One day you were a human born, but now you're a creature with a horn.
Cool! Wait, this doesn't feel real.
Fine. Unicornius? Turnius.
Wait, what happened to my head? This is too much!
So picky. Here, take this.
What's special about this?
Stay calm. Maybe makeup magic is more your style. Catch my drift?
Now we're talking! And first, we've gotta play with texture a bit. At least on the forehead anyway. Yep, we're making a horn, people. Here's where the magic really happens. It should stick right on it. And now it's time for the rest of the look. Some blue eyes will be cute. Easy, easy. Perfect! Now for the pink. Just brush it along the bottom of your brow. Then fill in the rest. Gotta make sure the rest matches. Contouring with pink is fabulous. Just make sure to blend. See how it all comes together? But don't forget about the lips. A fun blue hue is perfect. See? Choo! Whoa! Now I'm a real unicorn goddess! All the little details bring it together. Every bit of sparkle counts. Time to get going! Whoa! Your makeup magic really worked!
It's a real gift. Have fun at your little shindig.
Bye!
Toodles. Finally, I can start on my new book.
What about me?
This story's sad. I could use some digital company.
Nobody's even online?
I feel so alone. Now what do I do?
Oh. Check out this girl. How's she doing this to her hair? I want to look just like my doll. And it all starts with the brows. Don't forget to fill them all in. Then comes some shimmery shadow. Bring it all the way up to the lid. Blend it all. Then add some white to your waterline. Actually, a little thicker than that. Look at that gorgeous glow. Then add a brown to add dimension. Then blend, of course. See how nicely it goes together? But we're not done yet. Line that eye with a black liner. Then add a little bit on the bottom. Then add some lines going this way. See how they look like eyelashes? Time for a good old-fashioned contour. Now bring out that beauty blender. Keep going. Now add some rouge to your cheeks. Ta-da! Now line the lips, but not too harsh. Then blend in a nice rosy color. Mwah! Pull out the corners with this effect. Now's where you really start looking like a doll. Aw, so cute! All done! This living doll ought to get some attention. Oh, hello there. Shall we start streaming now? This will definitely be more fun to watch.
More coffee, sweetheart? Cheryl? Is she asleep? Maybe she needs a little wind-up. Wakey, wakey!
Oh! Thanks for the help! Now I can move! And look at all these people watching! Now we're talking!
Wave hi!
Ugh, could this get any less interesting? And that's why I call it the cotton candy brick. Sales are projected to soar by February. Are any of these people listening to me?
5 out of 10.
I know! Start by cutting the face in half. With a white makeup pencil. Then move on to the forehead. Now, fill in the top third with white makeup. This may take a couple of minutes. And perhaps more than one coat. Then move on to the bottom section. And now is where the fun starts. Here we go! The pink on one side and the blue on the other. Yellow goes around the nose. And keep blending till you get to the neck. Great! Now put some white on a brush. And draw cute little clouds. They can be different sizes, too. Don't forget about the neck. A little gloss on the lips is great to finish it off. Isn't it pretty? You didn't think I'd leave the keys plain, did ya? Whoa! Those white contacts really make this a look. Now, ahem! Can I continue? Whoa! You've gotta see this! Well done! Glad something got your attention. And now it's time to get a lot more. Bring it in! You've gotta taste it to believe it. Mmm. Sweeter than sweet.
Huh? Awesome! Mom, look!
And he was totally scared of me. Seriously, he's totally weird. I don't know about that. Aww. Yep, totally weird. Uh-huh. There's Chris! Just look at all that gorgeous hair. So much hair. That was way too close for comfort. And I look like a total mess. This is so not good. Where's my makeup? Time for a transformation. A big one. Get your beauty blenders ready. It's foundation time. We want a nice thick layer today, followed by some shimmer. Close those lids and sweep the brush all across. Don't be afraid to use plenty. Then comes the color. A little purple, perhaps? This'll definitely turn some heads. Just be sure to blend it well. And a little underneath won't hurt. Let's speed things up a bit. Just look at all that sparkle. But let's kick it up a notch. Ooh, bring it on! My eyes are like disco balls now! Now how do you like that? Nothing like some eyeliner to polish it up. Now onto the rest of my face. Don't forget the forehead. Yep, more blending. We want that line smooth. The cheeks too. And for the lips, glossy, obviously. And here's the final look. Kisses.
So crazy. Huh? Whoa! Since when does Cheryl look like that?
What's up?
Oh. Awkward.
Hey! My face! I have the worst luck ever! Are those for me? I thought they'd bring out your smile. Oh, I can work with this. Love a good makeup transformation? Perhaps you can try one of these out for yourself. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.